Hello, I was a guest on another YouTube channel, so I'm going to show that to you. It is edited for links and content, so if that interests you, it's coming up right after this.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we are.
There we are. Alrighty.
It likes to move on its own.
Yeah, it's one of those. Yeah, it's one of those that moves with you, and everything. It's one of those.
Cam is what it is.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, like we were talking and stuff. The whole and stuff. The Lego. As I've noticed and stuff that the Lego company has done a lot of things to honor different growth with the Disney company. And I give them props for that because not that many toy companies, upside Hasbro, that would step into the Disney line of toys and
I go in my
everything.
other room and show a bunch of them off. You want to see some cool Lego?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
1 minute later.
Yeah, no problem. Nice. That is a really nice. That. Oh man, that's a Lego.
Really part of my city, but yeah.
That is really nice. That is really awesome.
Huge too.
I know.
Hood opens up.
Yeah. My mom has. My parents have my mom put together a Millennium Falcon.
Oh, I wish I had that. The original ones were like $3,000.
Ooh, yeah, I know. They were the original Millennium Falcon Lego pieces were about that much. The Lego set
$199 brand new, but now it's like $3,000.
Yeah, I know. But the one that my mom put together does the same kind of thing. Like that does where parts of it opens and stuff like that.
The last video I did of the AT, I'll bring that in. That one's really delicate, so it might take
1 minute later.
Yeah, I want to. Oh, Mamie, you are making me jealous. That's an ATT. That's an ATT.
Yeah, let me get position.
It's an AT&T. ATT. Yeah. ATT. ATT. Yeah, the Imperial Walker or the original. Yeah, it's one of the original Imperial Walkers.
Oh man, now I'm getting like
I'm jelly. I am jelly. Because because I've been wanting to get back into Legos I want to get back and actually, because when I did try to put some Legos together, I did put a X-Wing together and I had a blast and I was calm. It calmed me down and relaxed me putting them together. But I've told people if they want to get into doing Legos, you got to have patience. You got to have mental patience.
I tried to put one of the new versions of the TIE Fighters, and I guess with all the moving, most of it got lost. All I got is
there it goes.
Nice. Yeah, I know.
I did video on that.
Yeah.
It's so hard to move.
Yeah, I'll definitely check out that video later.
Let me open them up and you can see something I did. I have the Snow Trooper battle pack, and I stuck that in here too.
Nice.
I'm just fell inside, so I don't know what the heck it was. Something broke off the side somewhere.
But if you look at stuff, also, any Star Wars fan would know this.
I have them featured in my video too. It comes with 2, but I have 5 of them in there. I had to change it up a little bit because I was missing pieces. I had this thing 3 years ago, and it's still not even retired. Can you believe that? 3 years ago, I bought it.
Yeah. To me, I'm so much of a Star Wars fan that I've actually learned 3 Star Wars languages: Wookiee, Hut, and I've also learned that one language from that one enemy of Anakin and the pod races. The dud. That dud and some of his language. No, Saboba. Yeah, I learned his language too. Putu.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, Putu. Putu.
You know, I was trying to do C-3PO the other day.
I know. But to me, I still want to learn how. I still want to get just right R2D2's beeps and his beeps and sounds and stuff.
Yeah.
Remember, we still do the Jar Jar Binks.
Misa Cha-Cha Binks. Misa got a grand army.
You say my.
You say my again.
Let's go to Gungan. Second thought.
No. Yeah, it's just that's how much of a Star Wars fan both of us are.
I got something to show you.
All right.
Go first. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're gonna run away. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. He's just looking at me like, you do think I'm getting in front of that thing? I got him.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you cute.
MJ.
Oh, hi, MJ. Hi.
He's a what do you call it? A service animal?
Yeah.
Not service animal. Companion animal.
A companion animal.
My
Yeah.
fiance.
Yeah.
Animal.
It's
Put
two.
this hat back away so I don't knock it over by accident or something. I have a twitch that sometimes my arm will do this, and I'm afraid I'll knock it right off the table. You don't want to see me when that happens.
Yeah, I know.
Put it away. Give me like 2 minutes. I'm not back in 2 minutes. I'll probably
Okay.
drop it.
Yeah, that's fine.
1 minute later.
I'm back.
He'll be back.
I'm back. I'll be back. Dude, I like to do this. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
That's my table.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.